So, yan, ang taas na nga ng gasolina. And ang i-revisit natin ngayon is the Wigo. So, isa yung kandidato sa matitipid na gas. And aside from Wigo, marami tayong hybrid. Okay? Napakatipid niyan sa gasolina nung hybrid natin. So, yan, papasukin nating Wigo, guys. And dito sa showroom, yan, Corolla Cross, just in case marami kayong extra budget. Corolla Cross, Yaris Cross, right? So, tatlo na yata yung display namin na Yaris Cross dito. Okay? Pwede yung zero down payment yung Yaris Cross at 15% approval. Okay? Yan. This one is Yaris Cross, zero down. And meron tayong gusto nyo ng luxury na hybrid. Meron tayong Camry. Ayun, yung Camry natin na black. Okay? Then, hybrid naman na 7-seaters. Ito na yun, yung Zenix. By the way, meron akong vlog niya mga yan nasa YouTube ko. Okay? Visit nyo lang, nasa YouTube, TikTok, pati sa Facebook personal account ko. Pinopost ko yung mga yan. Okay? So, bago natin simulan yung Wigo, meron kaming trade-in dito. By appointment, huwag kayo basta-basta susugod. Mamaya wala yung appraisers namin. And just in case meron kang approval sa ibang brand, pwede mo yun i-transfer dito. Alright? Or, any Toyota branch yung approval mo, dahil baka wala daw silang unit, transfer mo na dito. Baka meron kami ng unit. Tara, puntahan natin yung Wigo. Yeah. Wigo. Right. Natin papatagalin to, of course. Pasukin na muna natin agad. Since na-click nyo na to, ito yung pambato natin ngayon sa oil price hike. Okay. So, meron na akong vlog nito previously, pero pasukin natin ulit. Right. So, ito yung volume control niya. Okay. Meron tong function para i-fold yung side mirror. Okay. And unfold. Pero hindi siya sumasabay Yan kinorek ko na guys marami nag-message yan sa YouTube ko na hindi siya automatic. Pero you have to push this button para mag-unfold siya and mag-fold. Okay? Then ito yung apat na control ng window, door function, alright? All plastic. Isang cup holder. Okay, kita nyo? Isang cup holder. Extended, Okay. Hawakan. Then maganda dito sa Wigo, meron yung seat height adjuster. Okay, just in case meron tayong, ayan, yung mga nagdadrive natin na hindi nabiyayaan ng height. Pwede mong itaas. Okay. Hindi lahat ng mga sasakyan meron ganyan, Ito sa sandalan. Pang-open ng gas tank, guys. Pang-open ng hood. Ito siya, guys, ang pang-open ng hood. Baka di nyo alam, Okay? Traction button. Very important. Okay, ito naman yung aircon vent control natin. Okay, nice, ganda. Then, ito na yung skip button, mode. Itong mode na to, ito yung shortcut mo para mag-cycle ka dito sa stereo mo. Okay. So, skip button, volume control, answer call, voice command. Okay, that's it. Very simple, stylish, ganda. So, I hope nakikita nyo yung ating speedometer. Okay. Analog siya with combination of what? Digital. LED. LCD, sorry. So, that's the LCD. Okay? So, yan. Ito na nga yung pambato natin sa oil price hike. Okay? So, ito, push start button By the way, this is the top of the line Wigo. Wigo G. Temperature control, blower control, air circulation, max cool. So, ito pag pinindot mo, ito todo niya yung aircon agad. Yung blower. Off button, meron tayong power supply dito, yung classic. Alright, kita nyo yung bilog. Then, dalawang cup holder, guys. Inline na shift, park, reverse, neutral, drive, sports mode, brake mode. Okay. Hinaan ko lang ilaw guys. Lakas. Right? So, classic handbrake pa rin tayo. Right? Kita nyo? Nice. Then, meron tayong center pocket dito. Pwede yung isang cup holder. So, fabric seat design. Walang kaso dyan. Bilan nyo na lang ng leather na sinusuot. Actually, merong mga mura niyan. Okay? And, merong mirror yung passenger. Nice. Ganda. Then, also sa driver's side, yun nga lang, sa driver's side, wala tayong mirror. Okay? What's nice about this is meron kang built-in dashcam. Nice. Ganda. So, guys, front dashcam lang to, hindi kasama yung likod, Okay? So, glove compartment, aircon vent. Okay, ito yung panel ng passenger niya. Right? Yan. Yan na nga yung panlaban natin sa oil price hike. Yan. Currently, yung price nito $735. Baka magkaroon ng price increase next month dahil nga sa oil price hike sa gera. Okay, so yan yung design ng door panel niya. Right? So, fabric design, tatlong headrest tayo Kita nyo? Tatlong headrest. Right? Nice. So, meron yung center cabin light. Right? Nice. And may lagayan ng folder sa likod ng upuan, Okay? So, ang baba ng down nito right now, Pero guys, don't expect the zero down payment naman. And, meron tong dalawang backing sensors. Okay? Enough na yan. Meron ka ng dalawang backing sensor plus what? Meron ka pang backing camera. Ito yung backing camera niya. Sobra-sobra na yan. Ewan ko na lang kung bumangga ka pa. Okay? So, unfortunately, hindi ko naikabit yung battery. Hindi ko mapapakita yung third row. Pero kung interested kayo, sa isang video ko, yung nasa YouTube, meron ako niyan video. Send ko na lang sa inyo if you are truly interested. So, the Wigo emblem, the G variant. Nice. So, meron tong third stop mount lamp for added safety, of course. So, yan. Antenna type ang antenna natin. Alright? So, yan ang design ng ilaw. And the mag size is what, guys? Mag size is 14. Right? Nice. Mataas pa rin naman yung ground clearance niya. Hindi pa rin naman yung sobrang bagsak, guys. Pero goal natin dito is point A to point B. Fuel saver. Right? Pwede itong pang college car ng anak nyo. Right? Pang coding car. Okay? Sa mga nagsisimula ng family, yan, ganda. Yan. Right? Signal light. And by the way, ito meron tong integrated na signal light sa side mirror. Right? Yeah. So, binilisan ko na lang right now for the Wigo dahil ito yung panlaban natin ngayon for the oil price hike. And guys, just visit my TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. Halos na vlog ko na yata lahat ng hybrid. Right? And besides is the ATIV. That's the ATIV, guys. Zero down payment yan, Zero down. I repeat. Zero down. Right? So that's the Wigo, guys, behind. And ulitin ko lang, it's my outro. Pwedeng trade-in dito by appointment. Transfer approval, baka meron ka na approval sa ibang brand or same Toyota, lipat mo na dito. So that's it, guys. Bye. Thank you.